come on, yeehaw! Woohoo! Come on, lobster. Oh yeah. Yeehaw! Woohoo! Faster, lobster, faster! Whoa! Oh yeah. Stop, lobster, stop! Look, Heidi, there's a vending machine over there. Let's go! Let's go. This is weird. Why is the vending machine in the woods? This is pretty weird, Dad. I know, right? Ow. All right, we arrived. Whoa, this vending machine is weird. Why is it in the middle of the forest? I don't know. Oh, look, Heidi. We have strawberry, banana, and blueberries. All right, let's put the money. There we go. Blueberry. So Heidi, I wonder why this vending machine is here in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, it's really weird, and I wonder when it was built. Oh, Stan, look! Oh, thank you, Heidi, for reminding me. Now it's time to taste the blueberries. Take one. Mmm, they're yummy. Zidane, what happened to your face? What? What happened to my face? Heidi, wait up! What happened to Zidane? Look, they're go! Whoa, Heidi, wait! Wait! Heidi, look, they're go faster! Let's go! Heidi, wait up! It's just me! Heidi, it's just me! Heidi, it's just me, Zidane! Heidi! Go! Heidi, wait up! No! Heidi, wait up! Heidi, it's just me! Heidi, wait up! Stop, lobster! Maybe it is just Zidane. It is just me. What's wrong with my face? It's blue. What? Zidane, your face is blue. You should see it. What? My face is blue? We're gonna go back to the vending machine and see what's happening. Come on. Okay, Heidi, you're gonna grab something from the vending machine and let's see if it happens to you. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, Heidi. What are you gonna get? I'm gonna get a strawberry. All right, put your money in. I'm going to get strawberry. All right. I hope it doesn't happen to you. Yeah. I'm nervous. I can't believe my face is blue. Yeah, Stan. I wish I could see myself. Heidi, strawberries are ready. Okay, let's do this to them. Okay, let's eat a strawberry. They're pretty good. Heidi, your face is red. What? My face is red? I wonder what's in this vending machine. Hey, open up! Open up! Hey, open up! Open up! Open up! Open up! Hey, get out! Hey, open up! Hey! Oh! Hey! Hey! Get back! Where did she go? I don't know. I wonder where she went. Are we gonna stay like this forever? I know, right? Wait, Zidane. What? This is just a mask. Wait, what? Wait, that means this is just a mask. What? Oh my. What? They're just masks? But how did the lady disappear? And where did she go? Yeah. We need to go find her. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to put this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Bye. Bye.